Welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and we just want to take this opportunity to wish everyone out there a really happy, enjoyable Christmas. This has been an amazing year for us. We've done so many videos, we've had such great feedback from all the people who've watched, and it's really been a joy to actually be able to share some designs and some ideas with people. So we'd like to say a huge thank you from Janos and me. And really, we've got lots of videos to come, so keep watching, but have a fantastic holiday season, a great Christmas, a brilliant new year, and we look forward to seeing you in 2020.